Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the top 5 best circular saws. These saws are great for cutting wood, plastic, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for you. Each saw was picked for its power, price, and ease of use. We made sure every option is solid and reliable. You'll find both corded and cordless models in this list. They're all built to get the job done fast and clean. All product links are in the description box below. Click them to learn more or grab your favorite. Now, let's jump right into the list. Number 5. Evolution S210 CCS Metal Cutting Circular Saw. The Evolution S210 CCS Metal Cutting Circular Saw is a powerful tool made for clean and easy metal cutting. It uses a TCT blade that cuts through mild steel without creating heat, sparks, or burrs. This means the cuts are smooth and ready to use right away, which is perfect for welding, framing, or roofing projects. The high-torque motor can cut through steel plates up to half an inch thick. It also has a built-in overload system that helps protect the motor and keeps it running strong all day. Whether you're working in a shop or on a job site, this saw is built to handle tough tasks. One helpful feature is the chip collection system. It can hold more metal shavings than older models, so you don't have to stop and clean as often. A quick-release latch makes it easy to empty the chip collector and change the blade. The saw also gives you control and accuracy with a 3-inch adjustable cutting depth. It includes an LED light and a full-length edge guide to help you make straight, clean cuts every time. This is useful when working with metal roofing, studs, or pipes. For safety and comfort, it comes with a fast-stopping electronic blade brake, comfortable handles for both left and right-handed users, a safety trigger lock, and a sturdy steel base with clear sight lines. All of these features make the saw easier and safer to use. With the Evolution S210 CCS, you get a durable, easy-to-use saw that cuts steel cleanly and safely. It's a great choice for both professionals and DIY users who want high-quality results without the mess. Number 4. Makita Circular Saw. The Makita HS0600 is a powerful 10-inch circular saw made to cut large wood materials quickly and smoothly. It has the strength of the popular Makita 5007F, but with more cutting power. This saw can cut through 4x lumber in just one pass, making it great for framing, timber work, and heavy-duty carpentry. It has a strong 15-amp motor that runs at 4,300 RPM. This gives it the power to cut through beams, engineered wood, and large boards with ease. Even though it's powerful, the saw is well balanced. It is 16.5 inches long and weighs only 15.2 pounds, which helps reduce strain and makes it easier to handle during long jobs. The saw includes front and top handles to help you hold and guide the tool more comfortably and safely. The cutting depth is impressive, up to 3 13/16 inches at 90 degrees and 2 11/16 inches at 45 degrees. This means you can make deep, clean cuts at different angles. It's also built for accuracy. There is an adjustable top guide that helps you line up your cuts better. The saw uses ball and needle bearings to make the blade spin smoothly and deliver steady power. For quick blade changes, the wrench is stored right on the saw. It also has a flat motor housing, so you can easily rest it upside down while changing the blade. The saw is made with strong but lightweight materials, including a magnesium blade case and guard, and an aluminum base. This makes it durable, but not too heavy. The large adjustment knobs and levers are easy to use, even with gloves on. Overall, the Makita HS0600 is a solid choice for pros and serious DIYers who need a strong, reliable saw for cutting thick wood. Number 3. dewalt FlexVolt 60V Max Circular Saw. The dewalt FlexVolt 60V Max Circular Saw Kit is a powerful cordless tool made for heavy-duty wood cutting. It uses a 7.25-inch blade and runs on a strong 60V Max *9.0 Ah battery, giving you long runtime and the freedom to move without cords. This saw is perfect for framers, carpenters, and contractors who need power, speed, and precision on the job. The saw has a worm drive style design, which means the blade is on the left side of the motor and the handle is at the back. This setup gives you a clear view of the blade, making it easier to follow your cutting line. It also has an electronic brake that quickly stops the blade when you release the trigger for added safety. You can tilt the blade up to 53 degrees, with stops at 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees, making angle cuts easier and faster. It can cut up to 2 7/16 inches deep at 90 degrees, which is great for thick wood like OSB, plywood, and hardwood. The saw is built to last. It has a magnesium shoe for strength without extra weight and a brushless motor for smooth, efficient performance. There's also a rafter hook, so you can hang the saw when not in use, and a dust blower to keep your cutting line clean. It includes onboard blade wrench storage for quick blade changes and is Tool Connect tag ready, so you can add a tracking tag, sold separately, to help keep track of your tool. This DeWalt saw is reliable, cordless, and ready for tough jobs. It also comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Number 2. Skill Circular Saw. The Skill SBT70V11 is a 16-inch worm drive circular saw built for big, tough jobs. It's the largest worm drive saw made by Skill and has the power to cut through thick wood in just one pass. With a cutting capacity of 6¼ inches, this saw can slice through 6x lumber without stopping. That means faster, cleaner cuts with less effort. This saw is powered by a strong 15-amp dual-field motor, which stays cool even during heavy use. A cooler motor means more power and a longer life. It's perfect for pros who need a saw that can keep going all day on big job sites. The saw is made from magnesium, which makes it tough but lightweight. The magnesium die-cast footplate helps you make straight and accurate cuts every time. This means you can trust your measurements and get the job done right without needing extra trimming. It also uses brass worm drive gears, known for strength and durability. These gears help deliver steady, high power to the blade, even when cutting thick or hardwood. The included 16 5/16 SKL blade is ready to go right out of the box and delivers clean, smooth cuts. Everything about the Skill SBT70V11 is made for serious cutting work. Whether you're working on framing, large beams, or other heavy materials, this saw gives you the cutting depth, power, and durability to handle it with ease. It's a great choice for contractors, builders, and anyone who needs a high-capacity saw for tough jobs. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. The DeWalt DCS391B is a 20V Max cordless circular saw designed for fast, powerful, and accurate cuts. It uses a 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade and runs on a high-speed 5,150 RPM motor, which gives it the strength to handle tough cutting jobs with ease. This saw is made for cutting wood and can handle 2x material at both 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles, letting you make more cuts per battery charge. The bevel capacity goes up to 50 degrees, which is great for angled or bevel cuts in framing, flooring, or trim work. Even though it's strong, the saw is built to be easy to carry and control. It has a lightweight magnesium shoe that adds durability and keeps your cuts accurate. The body also features a rubber over-molded grip for comfort and better control while cutting. This model is a bare tool, which means the battery and charger are sold separately. It's perfect for users who already have DeWalt 20V Max batteries and want to expand their tool set. With its compact size, long battery life, when paired with a DeWalt 20V Max battery and high-performance motor, the DCS391B is a great choice for carpenters, DIYers, and contractors who want a cordless saw that's both strong and easy to use.